Campbell Soup buying Bolthouse Farms seems to be further evidence that the organic, healthy food trend is still strong.
Well, that was the release, but remember, it's also Green Giant, which is the quintessential non-organic, but everybody wants to present themselves as organic, because actually a very good piece over the weekend about how the rush to say what's organic when it really isn't. I want to emphasize that Campbell Soup has not had a pulse for ages. You know, they let the organic soups like Hain really sneak in. The beans part of it has been so-so. The cookie part. This is a company that has always presumed, I mean Pepperidge Farm, that it's going to just waiting for a buyout. We know from Hershey, you get your best performance when you're not waiting for buyout, but when you expand and also cut costs. Maybe Campbell sees the light of the Hershey's of the world and decides to actually grow. No one wants to buy Campbell's, I think, because they don't have the growth. Now, we saw what happens with Sara Lee. They split up, and this Hillshire Farms goes up huge. And it's just great to see Campbell's making a move to have more aisle space. This gives them more aisle space, and it makes it so they're not moribund, and it makes me want to own Campbell's.
Makes you want to own Campbell's.
Yes, I do. I'd like to own Campbell's. It's got a 3% yield. It's always been a bridesmaid, never a bride. It's always had, in the last 15 years, subpar management. This is a chance for something to happen good here, which is growth, and that's what Campbell's is needed. And
you're okay with the timing of this diversification?
Yeah,
transaction?
I mean, look, they obviously paid too much versus what they could have done, but that's the nature of it. There's not a lot of acquisition. If you want a company who knows how to acquire in that group, just look at B&G. That is a much better company, BGS. It's run by a guy named Wenner, who is brilliant. And it's Wenner, and has made every acquisition immediately additive and is a great play on consolidation in food. You know, I want to own Campbell's for a trade here, but BGS is the investment.
Okay. Thank you, Jim.
This market is
stock tickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to